We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, and we're going to be looking at it as well. In British English, this is normally said as earn, earn. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as earn, earn. You need to put your tongue up to produce this sound, this really strong R sound. Earn in American English versus earn in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words as promised, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.